Hey, welcome back. Today we will learn about variables and data types. You will use variables a lot while writing code. So let's find out what are they and how to use them in code. Variables are like labeled boxes that store data in them. Think of it this way. You want to write a code to store the value of your age. If your age is 25, you will create a variable, an empty box, to store the value 25 in it. Let's label this empty box age. In Python, this can be written like this: variable equal to the value. The part on the left of the equal to sign is variable and on the right is the value or the data. The variable stores the value written on the right. As per our example, age is a variable and the value I want to store in it is 25. Simple, isn't it? Now in the previous example, the data we stored in the variable called age was a number, which is 25. What if I asked you to create a variable that will store the name of a person? In Python, you can do it this way. Name equals to John Doe. See how John Doe is not a number but a sequence of characters. Such sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes are called strings. We can say the variable name is a string type of variable because it stores a string in it. Just like strings and numbers, there are other types of data that you can store in a variable. We will learn about them in the coming lessons. When you are naming a new variable, like we did in our examples, you need to follow certain rules. Head to the next problems to see how to declare a new variable name.